1987 Nissan, right? Nissan, how do you say it again?
Stanza?
Stanza? That's funny. I've never done this car, so. I did another car recently from Europe that actually uses the same key.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's
a...
I can't remember even what the car was. It was like a, hold on, I'll think of it. Mitsubishi, maybe? There's some older I'll have to look it up. There's some older cars that use this, like a Nissan key. Oh, I'm gonna have to spray this one with WD-40 because we are not getting any. Let me spray it real quick. There we go, that one in. You don't really want to do this with Alicia. You want to use a key, but it'll be all right. Yeah, see that 3 is back all the way to the top, 4 is all the way to the top, 5, 6, 8. Yeah, we're good. We're good now. All right, let's pick it. All right, we're picked.
With a bunch of lock changes and nailing doors into the walls.
Nice.
Do you remember?
I think so. Yeah, we didn't do your front door, but then I helped you fix the front door. Is that the one?
Yeah, the squatter house.
What's that?
The duplex.
Oh, what's your address
that
again?
you did. I had workers come out and they locked the bottom twist knob that I don't have a key for, and so you did that one trick with the blood pressure cuff.
Oh, that's funny.
Are you able to possibly, are you in the area to possibly come help really quick?
I can come back. I'm just finishing another job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, give me about 25 minutes.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right, let's try this key out. Yeah, it works. I was like, oh, it's not working. Hey. You got it open. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Of course, anytime. Thank you. All right, it's working. Probably no battery. It's all done. Making a spare. Should work here too. Yeah. Uh-oh. All right. Dog bites. And owner sheets. Did the key work on the trunk too?
Yeah.
I think all your locks need WD-40.
Yeah.
Let me spray it.
Okay.
But that should work on the driver door and the ignition. Hey, it doesn't work here. Maybe that was changed? Oh, there it is. Yeah. They needed WD-40 big time. All them, so.
Oh, yeah.
Check that last one.
Cool.
Yep. Yeah. You want to try it?
No, I'm good.
You good?